Welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain ebookpark.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Friends, this is an online site that offers you ebooks at a very reasonable price range. The website has a vast collection of books in its stock. Now let's take a look at the product category here. So when you click shopping cart, here is nothing to show. If you want to make or create an account, you need to click login and register, and then you will be able to create an account. Now guys, let's talk about the payment information. I'm not able to view the payment information category, but yes, you'll find the payment information in contact us section. The mode of payment available on the website are Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Discover. Coming to the shipping policy, there is no shipping info available on the website. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the website is looking professional with a secure HTTPS connection, which means it is secure for payment aspects. And this is a good sign. Coming to the domain information, the domain name was created 9 months ago and launched on 6th of December 2019 and present in the market for a significant amount of time. But guys, according to our research, the site has not been rated by any user yet. The trust score of the domain name is 8% and currently has 0 comments. Now let's take a look at the About Us section. But I'm not able to view the About Us section. There is no information available regarding the business establishment year, business owner name, photos, brand connection, etc. Now let's take a look at the Contact Us information. So guys, here I'm able to see the email address and there is no official address available, no contact number available. And the email which is given on this page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But you should know that these days multiple problematic and scam sites are using email addresses related to the customerservicebest.com domain and supportservicebest.com domain. So be aware and always check email address reliability. Now talking about the social media presence, guys, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a bad sign and shows that the website may be suspicious. Now let's take a look at the return or refund policy. So here you can read or see that the returns are acceptable within 30 days from the date of delivered item and time frame of refunding is 3 to 5 business days after the error is reported and confirmed. Guys, please do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. It will give benefit to other customers as well. Now guys, talking about the customer reviews, we found no ebookpark.com reviews by the customers. And according to our research and study, few customers stated that almost every book they require are available on the site. And some customers said that the website is little suspicious. So it's up to you. You can make a wise decision by do more research and by reading the entire information related to the website. Guys, talking about the content and quality, it does not seem authentic. This is again a bad sign and shows that the website is not legit. So guys, after discussing the entire checkpoints, due to lack of contact details such as address and phone number and low trust index, we found this website a little suspicious. So in the conclusion, I would say the website appears to be scam And if you have ever scammed, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep motivating. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and at the last, thanks for giving your precious time.